In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for brand versus brand comparisons. Fast and easy. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just curious about how brands compete, Google Trends can be an invaluable tool to track and compare interest over time. First, let's begin by navigating to Google Trends. Simply open your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once you hit search, you should see a list of results. Click on the first link, which will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. This is your starting point for exploring all the insightful data Google Trends offers. When you arrive on the homepage, you'll see an option labeled Explore. Click on this to access the main features of Google Trends. Now you're ready to input your first brand name. Try typing in a recognizable brand like Nike, Adidas, or Apple, and press Enter. Right away, you'll see a trend graph depicting the interest over time for that particular brand. This graph provides a visual representation of how interest in the brand rises and falls over your chosen time frame. Setting your location and time range is crucial to getting the most relevant insights. Click to adjust the location based on your target market region. You can choose to set a time range, such as the past 5 years, to identify recurring trends and seasonal spikes, or the past 12 months to capture recent demand surges. This flexibility lets you tailor the insights to your specific needs. If you're interested in comparing different brands, Google Trends has a nifty feature called Plus Compare. You'll find it right next to the search bar. Clicking this will allow you to add one or more competitor brands such as Puma or Samsung. Instantly, the graph will update to show all selected brands, making it super easy to visualize and compare interest trends side by side. As you analyze the interest graph, pay attention to the colored lines representing each brand. Observe which brand maintains consistent interest and spot any peaks that may correspond to marketing campaigns, product launches, or news events. These insights can help shape your strategic planning. Scroll down slightly, and you'll find the interest by sub-region section. This feature reveals where each brand has the most traction, a valuable insight for developing effective local marketing strategies. Additionally, Google Trends suggests related topics and queries, offering a glimpse into what people search along with each brand. For instance, people might search for Nike shoes or Apple iPhone. This information can significantly enhance your content development, advertising campaigns, and SEO targeting. By following these steps, you can leverage Google Trends to understand brand dynamics better, craft informed marketing strategies, and stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.